How to get a custom ringtone on iPhone. First, go to the app GarageBand. Download it if you don't have it. Go to the app GarageBand. Press the plus button to make a new project. Then go to Audio Recordings, and then press the red dot to start recording. Next, play the audio of your choice from another device, or your friend talking, or someone playing the guitar next to you. Press the upside down triangle and press My Songs, and it will save your song onto the project/song you made. And then press Share. After that, press Ringtone and Export, then press OK. Next, go to Settings, go to Sound and Haptics, and then go to Ringtone, select the song you just made, and that's it. Viola, congratulations.